The finance and accounting area at IIM Tiruchirappalli consists of 10 faculty members. We have a rich mix of faculty in terms of experience, research publication and their teaching interest. Our faculty members have published articles and research papers in various national and international journals of repute, and we provide a rigorous coursework to the finance PhD students that make them to cutting-edge research in the field of finance and accounting. If I talk about the research interest of the faculty, their research interest ranging from ESG, corporate governance, asset pricing, mergers and acquisition, fintech, and to green finance. Our facilities include an excellent finance lab, which gives access to a lot of databases in the world where you can take data on a lot of companies and other financial events in the world. We encourage potential PhD candidates who want to take up their career in teaching and research to apply for our program.
Hello everyone, my name is Professor Gopal and I am one of the senior professors at Finance and Accounting area of IIM Tiruchirappalli, and I welcome each one of the aspirants who wants to go for higher studies or higher positions in industry to apply for our doctoral program. This is one of the very flexible but very rigorous programs among all the IIMs. We have an amazing academic experience, and this is one of the largest areas of what in your language you might know as departments in the entire IIM Tiruchirappalli, and we have 10 faculty members and each one of us have published extensively. There are plenty of resources which are available in the library, especially in the finance and accounting area. And almost all our previous doctoral alumni are working at extremely prestigious institutions like IIMs, and a couple of them working in places like MICA and IMT Hyderabad and IMT Ghaziabad. And then, as I had already mentioned, we have a lot of flexibility to do the program. At the same time, it's very rigorous. It's not a very straightjacketed, and we have the ability to guide you on every area, and especially for people who are interested in banking, fixed income securities, asset pricing, investment analysis, security analysis, stock analysis, financial accounting, forensic accounting. We have extremely good human resources who can really take you to height and help you to publish in top grade journals in the world. So once again, I request each one of you to have a go at applying to IIM Tiruchirappalli for our doctoral program, and we hope you would be able to great.
So good evening everyone. So we finance area at IIM Tiruchirappalli is one of the biggest area. We have 10 faculty members and we all work on different variety of areas, and I predominantly work on corporate governance in family firms. I also work on earnings management. My broad area of research is corporate governance in family firms. That's what I'm currently working on that. So I have published some of the classical papers in the area of corporate governance. So students who are interested to work in the area of corporate governance, or who are interested to work in family businesses, or who are interested to work in earnings management area, are most welcome to come and join our institute PhD program. This is with reference to my area of expertise. My colleagues will also share their area of expertise, and accordingly you can take a call and join the institute. All the best.
I am Professor Naresh from Finance and Accounting area. Here at IIM Tiruchirappalli, the faculty members do specialize in various areas of finance and accounting, starting from asset pricing or fin technology, banking, or even with respect to accounting, earnings management, and several other areas. Now, if you talk about their research collaboration, they have a collaboration with almost professors from various parts of the world. They not only have a research collaboration, they have a teaching experience as well from various parts of the world. Now, how this is going to be helpful for you as an aspirant for a doctoral program, either in the full-time mode or in the executive mode, you can get into the research here with these faculty members who have a rich research experience, as well as you can try and enrich yourself with the strong grounds on the academia in terms of the subject knowledge, which you'll be doing it as a coursework during your first year with the PGP students, which will ensure that you have a very strong knowledge on the subjects that you're going to do with them. Apart from that, the research guidance you get it from each and every faculty, because it is for the initial years you are not assigned to a single faculty, you will be assigned with the multiple faculty members where you will learn the entire research either in terms of finance or in terms of accounting, with which you can go ahead with your specialization. This program is not exclusively for the academicians alone, even for those who are aspiring to get into the industry, you can come and get enrolled in this program. This is going to be a very rigorous program, but you will start enjoying this program and appreciate this. We have sufficient resources in terms of the infrastructure that we have, or the finance lab with all the databases that you require for doing your PhD program. I sincerely welcome all of you to consider applying for the IIM Tiruchirappalli for the doctoral program. Once again, welcome to all of you.
I'm Shalini, a faculty of Finance and Accounting Department at IIM Tiruchirappalli. I work in the area of fintech, which is more contemporary and futuristic area, I would say. Be it fintech transformation in banking or capital markets, or the areas that we had not initially hoped for, like crowdfunding or fast tag, right? So a lot of factors that drive this fintech adoption. I predominantly work in this area, how fintech adoption drives business and ecosystem changes. And when we talk about the ecosystem, it is the large banks, and that has been in practice more than 200 years. And on the other side, we have the startups or the unicorns in the fintech space that is competing with the large banks. And we have regulators on the other side who are watching and collaborating with both banks and fintech in this area. And we have the big tech companies that also wants to get their banking license and then focus on how to compete with these with efficient products, right? So these fintechs are actually catering to the pain points in the existing system by addressing the financial inclusion and by developing a new business model, products and services, right? So how these institutional voids are filled by this fintech innovation is what drives my research. I focus on innovation adoption, be it in digital payments or digital lending or robo-advisors and algo trading platforms. This is my predominant research area.